Every home has a story, and some, like 514 Abbeywood Drive, deserve to be told the right way. I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzie with the Tamara Ozzie team.
And today we're walking you through how we market unique, well-loved homes to attract the best buyers. This home was the first built in the Fox Trails subdivision on the largest lot and has been owned by Linda and her late husband Paul ever since. They raised their family here, hosted friends here, and lovingly cared for every inch of it. We're here to make sure the next family sees the same magic. Here's how we market listings like this one. Professional photography with both wide angle and detail shots. Drone photos and aerial videos to show off the size and privacy of the lot. Twilight photography for warmth and story. Full cinematic video tours like this one. And of course, strong YouTube SEO and targeted digital campaigns to reach out of area buyers. When we market a home, we're not just showing square footage, we're building emotional connection. Whether it's the sunroom that became Linda's sanctuary or the custom doors Paul added for his race car, those personal touches matter to the right buyer. If you're thinking of selling a home that's more than just bricks and siding, if it has meaning, history, or heart, we'd be honored to help you tell its story. Book a seller consultation with us at the link below.